The OnePlus 15 is here, and this phone is insanely powerful. It packs the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 with huge performance gains. Plus, OnePlus added a ton of extra upgrades everywhere. You get UFS 4.1 storage and up to 16GB LPDDR5X Ultra RAM. The design is flat, matte, and minimal with 3 colors. Everything is squared off and cleaner than before. OnePlus also added a new ceramic-like coating that resists scratches. The matte black finish barely gets fingerprints. And surprisingly, light scratches wipe off easily. The phone has IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K protection. It can survive high-pressure hot water jets. Basically, it's built like a tank. Battery is a massive 7,300 mAh silicon carbon cell. You easily get 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. Fast charging is 80 W in the US and 100 W in other regions. The new display can hit 165 Hz in supported games. Everyday use stays between 1 to 120 Hz for better battery. Touch sampling is an insane 3,200 Hz, but the biggest weakness is the camera system. Smaller sensors, weaker colors, more noise in medium light. Overall, the cameras are a downgrade. Performance is amazing, battery is amazing, design is amazing. But the cameras hold this phone back from being perfect. Still, the price is impressive. $899 or $999 for 16GB RAM. If OnePlus makes an Ultra model with real flagship cameras, this device could dominate the entire flagship market. Until then, the OnePlus 15 is fast, durable, and packed with overkill features.